How to create PDF for free without Acrobat Writer. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and type Files by Google. Now type Files by Google. Now install this application and click on Open. Now at the bottom right corner, you will find an option for Scan. Now you can click Pictures to upload in the PDF or tap on the gallery icon to import the photos. Select the photos, tap on Add. Now click on Done. Now tap on Documents, open up the PDF, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.